There are other places where we'll see mechanical advantage all the time. And sometimes it's not to increase the force, sometimes it's to decrease the force. And you can work your way through on a bicycle, all the mechanical advantages you have on a bicycle, and why you change gears in particular ways. And once you think about it and look at it, you know, oh, if I have a small cog up front and a large cog in back, I have lowered the mechanical advantage, which means I have to use less force to cause the wheel to rotate. And that's what we use when we're in low gear. And then once I'm moving and I need more torque, I want more torque, I go to a large gear up front and a small gear in back and increase my mechanical advantage so that I can go faster and faster. All right, so a lot of different types of machines have different mechanical advantages, but most of them, not all of them, most of them we're trying to increase the mechanical advantage. But in drivetrains, we actually have a mechanical advantage less than one. If you think about it, this happens in your airplane as well. You've got a very small rod that's rotating, you know, and it's rotating something large. And so you give up mechanical advantage all the time. Why? Because you've got ways of generating the power to do that. And then a simple pulley, if you just go up and down on one pulley, that has a mechanical advantage of 1. All you do is you get exactly the force you're applying back out. The pulley, though, lets you redirect the force, lets you change the direction of the force. Pulleys, though, pulley systems are great because pulley systems let us magnify force by integer multiples depending on how many different pulleys we're using. So take a look at the system A, right? System A, mechanical advantage is 2. Why? Well, I'm pulling with a tension T. But if you look at what the weight is hanging on, it's hanging on a pulley that has T going up twice. And so that's a mechanical advantage of 2. The second one, B, you can see, you look at the weight. The weight has 3 ropes going up, so you've got a mechanical advantage of 3. And then in this final system, there are more, the pulleys are configured differently. You now have a mechanical advantage of 4 because you've got 4 going up. When I was a kid, back in high school, we had a block and tackle that actually was a 6-pulley system, and we used it once while we were trying to pull over this very large oak we were cutting down. Unfortunately, the rope broke on me. You know, one person, actually 2 people at that point, with that much mechanical advantage, we were able to put enough force on the tree that we actually broke a really big rope trying to pull that tree over. So that's, you know, that's different types of mechanical advantage. Pulleys are a great system. They're great for doing things with, and they're used for redirecting force all the time.